Today marks a significant milestone as we come together to launch the National Learning Camp and the TriPed Library Hub. This initiative symbolizes our collective commitment to advancing education and enriching the lives of our learners and community. As we embark on this journey, let us remember that our success lies in our unity and dedication. Together, we can create an environment that nurtures potential of every learner and prepares them to face the challenges of tomorrow with confidence and resilience.
The NLC is an integral to the comprehensive National Learning Recovery Program, encompassing a 3 to 5 week voluntary classes for the 3 camps. We have the enhancement intervention as stipulated in BO 24 series of 2023. It is one of the learning recovery strategies aligned with the Matatag agenda to provide transformative, concrete, and targeted reforms to further improve the country's education system.
We should be teaching that to our children during this National Learning Camp, NLC. It's not just about reading, it's not just about mathematics, it's not just about science and technology, but it's about teaching our children to be creative and critical thinkers. So the challenge is, what can we do as officials from the local government unit of the City of Iligan and from the Division Office of DepEd Iligan City? We can do something to our children by providing them resources. And we think, when we try to think of resources, identifying resources, we align it to the 3 priority sector agenda also of our department, which is quality, access, and relevant. As we feel triumphant and victorious during this day, in time for the opening of our first ever TriPed Library Hub / Learning Resource Center. And welcome also to the first day of the implementation of our National Learning Camp.
Tungod kay dili mo nabutang ang maong TriPed Learning Hub. Sa inyo tanan ng mga supervisors sa atong mga officials dito sa Division Officer Iligan, pinanguluhan sa atong School Division Superintendent ug ang assistant o school board nga kutob sa among maymo nga mga Maranao tribes diri sa Mandulog among suportahan kining inyong programa. Daghang salamat.